Hi everyone, Simon from SPP Productivity, where we give simple tips and tricks that anyone can implement to help themselves become more productive at home, work, and school. Now guys, today I wanted to talk to you about technology in bedrooms. Now we're all told it's wrong, yeah? So we're all told different things about technology in bedrooms, but if you Google online, you'll find heaps and heaps of things talking about blue light emissions and all that sort of shit. I don't know that stuff. I'm not going to go into that. I'm going to go into just the simplistic reasons why you shouldn't be having technology in your bedroom. Now, we use it for alarm clocks. We use it for Facebook and Instagram. You know how it works. You're sitting in bed, you go to bed at 9 o'clock and then you say to yourself, I might just check Facebook, and before you know it, it's 2 hours later and you still haven't gone to sleep. We all know that happens, yeah? What you need to do is get technology out of your room. Having that phone in the bedroom just gives other people the chance to message you, to call you, to notify you through notifications. When those come through, they naturally wake you up. Even if you don't think you've been woken up, you actually have subconsciously. And then you wake up buggered and you wonder why you have a crap day. That is why we all have this going on and it shouldn't happen. It needs to stop. Now, the other thing we can talk about is the fact that if you have got your phone there, you also have a reason to wake up in the middle of the night and go, I forgot to send an email, or I forgot to get back to this person on Facebook. When that happens, you're naturally going to get up and do it. Now, some of my other videos, if you have a look on my YouTube channel, you will see I've talked about why you should have a pad of paper next to your bed so that if that happens, you can wake up, write it down and sort it out in the morning. But having technology there naturally means you get less sleep than you actually should. Don't let me get into TVs. TV is a whole nother issue. You go to bed, it's 9 o'clock, you go, right, I'm gonna go to sleep. Let's just quickly watch some TV. Before you know it, Netflix is 3 hours down the track. Now, I wanna show you what we've done in our household to get around this. I'm gonna see if the camera can flick around the other way while we're actually talking. It probably can. I just don't know how to do it. So we're going to turn the camera around this way and I'll show you. See this little device here? This is cool. What this was from Kmart and this was about 15 bucks or something, right? It was super simple. But here you can plug in all your different devices. They all stand up. There's ones that look nicer than that and all that sort of stuff. But you plug all your devices in, they all charge at once. It looks nice. It's a charging station. And then you wake up fresh, you wake up happy, and you won't understand the difference that it actually makes. So what I need you to do is get the technology out of your bedroom right now. I need you to keep the bedroom for sleeping and for whatever else you want to do in the bedroom. Get the technology out of the bedrooms and you will have a much better time with your sleep and your productivity. Have a great weekend, everyone. Bye.